tired of holding everything inside. A single tear slips from my eye, and for the second time I let it fall. Let myself unravel. Let myself feel it all.
This heart feels too much, no matter how far the distance seems. Every whisper, every breath I carry like a dream, but no one's ever met me in the place where I can bleed. No one's ever truly seen the real heart underneath.
They build me like a soldier, always ready, always strong, always rushing in to fix, even when it felt all wrong. Needed just to feel wanted, wanted just to feel known. But every time I reached for love, I faced the dark alone. So I cry and I cry, let the lifetimes fall away. All the pain I never named, all the hurt I couldn't say. I'm breaking, but I'm breathing for the first time in my life. Letting go of being needed, just to feel alive.
This lone heart came as a pair, but it's always stood alone, forgotten in the shadows, in a world that felt like stone. My reflection shone too brightly, and it frightened them away. So when I needed someone, no one ever chose to stay.
Thinking they were with me, but they vanished when I fell. Left me with the silence only I could truly tell. So I sit here in the breaking, let the tears become my guide. Let the lifetime shed their weight as the truth pours from inside. So I cry and I cry, let the lifetimes fall away. All the pain I never named, all the hurt I couldn't say. I'm breaking, but I'm breathing for the first time in my life. Letting go of being needed, just to feel alive. The pain so deep, so raw, so real, but in the breaking, I learned how to heal.